If you want to install and set up Facebook Pixel on Shopify, then here's what you're going to do. First is you're going to head over to your Shopify dashboard, and then from here, you're going to access settings from the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, from the settings page, you are going to click on apps and sales channels. This is where you can find all of your apps and your sales channels, and you can find Facebook or Metapixel from here as well. But if it is not installed yet, you are going to click on Shopify App Store, and then from here we are going to find the app. So as you can see here, it is already on the first of the list. So we're going to click on Facebook and Instagram, and then from here we're just going to click on install. Now once you try to install the app, you are going to be asked that this app needs access to your personal data and your edit store data. So it will have access to your customers, products, orders, discounts, store analytics, online store, and Shopify admin. So if you agree on that all, you can just click on install, and then you're going to wait for this Facebook app to be installed. So now after installing the app, we are going to set up the app. So I'm just going to wait for this page to load, and then as you can see here, we can connect our Facebook account for our business. So click on connect account, and then from here it's going to ask us what our business login or our login credentials for Facebook are, and then we're going to click on login, and then after that we're just going to wait for this page to load, and then it's going to ask you that Shopify is requesting access to your name and your profile picture. So you're just going to click on continue if you agree to share that, and then after that it is going to be set up. It has already been connected to your sales channel. So that's it. That is how you can install and set up a Facebook Pixel on Shopify. If you want to get further, you can just click on get started, and it will teach you all of the things that you have to learn along the way. And I recently created an hour-long step-by-step Shopify tutorial which can help you set up your store in no time. If you want to learn more, click here to watch the full video, and I will see you there.